There are also two types of single-point intarsia drawing methods. One is multi-layer drawing. The other is intarsia Jacquard color code drawing. Let's talk about the first. How to realize single-point intarsia pattern with multiple layers. Drawing a single-point intarsia pattern. Actually, on the basis of multi-layer intarsia. Layer in intarsia. Draw a rhombus stitch pattern. The drawing method is the same as drawing the rhombus intarsia color block. Use the rhombus tool and the copy current color tool and color changing tools. Switch to each other. Draw the best map of the single-point intarsia. Note that there are many yarn feeders for single-point intarsia. Pay attention to the arrangement of yarn feeders. It is recommended to use yarn feeders 1 to 8 on the left side of the sample. It is recommended to use yarn feeder 11 to 18 on the right side of the sample. Switch function line to 116. Knitting form of single-point intarsia. Same as intarsia pattern weave. Both are intarsia, ordinary yarn feeder, 81-1. Yarn feeder group setting group 1. Click the yarn feeder system setting tool. Set the knitting yarn feeder size for intarsia and single point. You can also not set it here. If not set, the yarn feeder number will automatically read the color code number of the intarsia layer. Here, choose according to usage habits. Select Auto 1 here. Indicates the arrangement of yarn feeder knitting order from small to large. Sure. Single point pattern position does not need tuck connection. So how to cancel the tuck? Circle the range that needs to cancel the tuck. Click the floating yarn feeder setting tool. Click New. Click the yarn feeder number of the tuck that needs to be cancelled. Sure. Compile. Single-point intarsia compilation parameters are the same as intarsia compilation parameters. I won't go into details here. If necessary, check the intarsia compilation parameters course. Sure. Check the computer action. It can be seen that there is no tuck connection for the single-point yarn feeder. You can knit on the machine only after checking that it is correct. The second drawing method below. How to draw single-point patterns using Jacquard intarsia color codes. In the pattern, diamond intarsia blocks use front-braided intarsia color code. Number 2 color is changed to intarsia corresponding to number 2 yarn feeder 152. Single point and dotted line are drawn using Jacquard color code. Change the rhombus single point intarsia to the color of the corresponding Jacquard yarn feeder. Front woven Jacquard color code is 167 to 182. Number 6 color is changed to Jacquard corresponding to number 6 yarn feeder, namely 172. And so on. Change all colors. Function line setting. Consistent with drawing intarsia with multiple layers. In addition, the first column of function line 202 also needs to be set to 99. Indicates the Jacquard intarsia setting. Using the float yarn feeder setting tool. Cancel tuck connection. Finally compile. Check the computer action. After confirmation, you can start knitting on the machine.